Welcome to today's video on the best plants for indoor gardening. If you're yearning to bring the beauty of nature into your home or just want to start a new hobby, indoor gardening is a great way to begin. Whether you have a green thumb or are just starting out, there are plenty of plants that can thrive indoors. Let's explore some popular choices that are perfect for your indoor oasis. First up, the classic peace lily. Known for its elegant white blooms and lush green leaves, the peace lily is not only beautiful, but also helps purify the air. It's a low-maintenance plant that thrives in low-light conditions, making it perfect for those less sunny spots in your home. Just remember to keep the soil moist and your peace lily will flourish. Next, we have the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is incredibly hardy and can survive in a variety of conditions. With its striking upright foliage, it's a wonderful addition to any room. Snake plants prefer indirect sunlight and can tolerate neglect, making them ideal for busy lifestyles. For those who love a splash of color, consider the vibrant pothos. With its heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines, pothos adds a lively touch to your space. It's a fast-growing plant that does well in both bright indirect light and low-light areas. Plus, it's one of the easiest plants to propagate, so you can share the love with friends. Moving on, let's talk about succulents. These trendy plants come in a variety of shapes and sizes and are perfect for sunny windowsills. Succulents require minimal watering, as they store water in their leaves. Just be sure not to overwater them, as they prefer dry conditions. Another popular choice is the spider plant, known for its arching leaves and tiny plantlets. Spider plants are excellent air purifiers and adapt well to different environments. They're easy to care for and look stunning in hanging baskets or on shelves. Finally, we have the fiddle leaf fig. This plant has large, glossy leaves and makes a bold statement in any room. While it requires a bit more attention, such as consistent watering and bright, indirect light, its striking appearance is worth the effort. In conclusion, indoor gardening offers numerous benefits, from enhancing your home's aesthetic to improving air quality. Whether you choose a low-maintenance plant or one that requires a bit more care, the joy of watching your plants grow is a rewarding experience. Happy gardening, and thanks for watching.